السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Today we talk about what? The noble lineage of the Prophet Muhammad صلى الله عليه وسلم. I said the whole name in a video before and we didn't continue, so I think inshallah, I hope that we can finish this videos about the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم. So before we speak about the birth of Prophet Muhammad, we need to speak about his noble roots, his honored lineage that connects him to the great Prophet Ibrahim عليه السلام, the father of the prophets. Ibrahim عليه السلام, the father of the prophet. طب why we call him the prophet of the prophets? Now Ibrahim عليه السلام got two wives. Hajar, the mother of Ismail. You say in English Ishmael. Tamam, alright? Hajar, the mother of Ismail. And Sarah, the mother of Ishaq, in English Isaac. From Ishaq came Yaqub, in English Jacob, and Yaqub got another name which is Israel. And then Israel with his 12 sons became the tribes of Banu Israel, and many prophets were sent from their lineage, like for example Yusuf, Joseph alayhi salam, Musa, Moses, Dawood, David, Sulaiman, Solomon, Isa, Jesus, peace be upon all of them. Allah sent a lot of prophets in this lineage. So what about the other one, about Ismail, the other son of Ibrahim alayhi salam? Allah had a special plan for him. Remember Ibrahim alayhi salam left Hajar and her baby Ismail in the desert, the empty valley of Mecca? It was there that Zamzam sprang from the earth, and it was there that Ismail grew up among the Arabs and he married from them and then became the forefather of the Arab people. Alayhi salam. So now we have this branch of Banu Israel, and another one which is Ismail became from the Arabs and the forefather of Arabs. From his blessed line, generation after generation came noble, respected leaders, until eventually came the greatest of them all, the greatest of all creation, the greatest of all people, Muhammad ibn Abdullah, ibn Abd al-Muttalib, ibn Hashim, ibn Abd Manaf, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He was born from the most honored of tribe, which is Quraysh, and from the most respected families within Quraysh, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said what? Indeed, Allah chose Kinana from the children of Ismail. Allah chose Kinana from the children of Ismail. And chose Quraysh from Kinana. And then chose Banu Hashim from Quraysh. And chose me. He's talking about himself, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And chose me from Banu Hashim, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Let's do the challenge and write the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam name. Let's see who is the one that will write the whole name. I mentioned it in a video before. Right? This is not just history, it's a part of our, as a Muslim, it's good to know his name, to know his father, his lineage, right? So I encourage you, right? So to memorize his name, it's really important, to memorize his name and to feel more connected with the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, even at least just the first few generations. Muhammad ibn Abdullah, ibn Abd al-Muttalib, ibn Hashim, Allahumma salli wa sallim alayhi. Because this name carries a legacy of prophethood, the light of Islam and the honor of being from the chosen descendants. He is from the lineage of Ismail alayhi as-salam. Another question, why the Jews didn't follow the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam? If there is any relationship between the two branches that I talk about, let me know in the comment. That's it for today. We learned the Prophet ﷺ in that quick videos and we remember his life ﷺ. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. Subhanakallahumma bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.